Good morning. Time now is about 6:14. We are waking up to some isolated rain showers across the area. Some very light rain coming through. Roads are wet as we take a look at Interstate 74 on top of OSF this morning. And we are seeing those cloudy skies, and it is chilly as well. You're going to want to have the jacket on this morning. 45 degrees. And yes, it's almost the end of May, and we're still seeing morning temperatures in the 40s. We do have a flash flood watch, though, that was issued this morning for today into tonight until about 1 a.m. tomorrow morning, as we're going to see several rounds of heavy rain moving in here. Here's one round that's coming through here this morning, just some very light rain, but Peoria has already picked up about a quarter inch of rainfall this morning. That's lifting off to the north, and then we're going to see this area of low pressure down by Wichita, down into Oklahoma and into Tulsa area. That's going to move into our area later on this evening around 9 or 10 o'clock. We'll time it out for you here in just a bit. Temperatures, though, they are in the 40s, 44 degrees in Lakin, 44 also in the Canton area. So like I mentioned, it's a rainy, cloudy, and also cool start to our day. Don't forget the jacket on as you're heading out the door. Here's what we're looking at on our precision cast. We have an area of low pressure down to the south. That gave them severe storms across the southern plains yesterday. That's going to lift north over the area across the northern plains today, really intensifying. You can notice those pressure lines getting pretty close together, bringing in winds out of the east today, and by 6 p.m. seeing a line of storms along the Mississippi River. So zooming things in and taking a look at what else is going to happen today, here we are again this morning at 6:30, seeing a few showers around the area. That should lift north, and then we'll see a bit of a break throughout much of the day. This model, though, getting a lot warmer than I think we're actually going to get here in the heart of Illinois. We are going to see storms forming out to the west of the area by about 7:30, moving into areas of Galesburg in Fulton County, as well as over in the Canton area. And then we're going to start to see this line moving through here. Here we are at 9 p.m. It's right along the Illinois River from Peoria down towards Lincoln. Even some pink embedded in there, which might be an indication of some hail within this line. It continues to be with us, giving us very heavy rainfall, and now moving off to the eastern half of the area, and then it's moving out of here after about midnight or so, and we are dry for tomorrow morning. Here's our severe weather risk, though, for Tuesday night. Mainly going to be high winds and flooding. Flooding, again, is going to be the big issue because we could see anywhere between 1 to 2 inches of rain as that line makes its way through here this evening. So because of the clouds, we're not going to warm up too much today, only 59 degrees. Luckily, though, after that system moves through here, we'll see clearing skies and temps warming into the 80s for us tomorrow. And then we see our active weather pattern setting up going into this weekend. I know it's Memorial Day weekend. Everyone wants to start, opening up the pools. Unfortunately, it looks like it might not be in the cards for us this year.
Yikes. Let me ask you this, as far as this warmer weather that's coming our way starting tomorrow, humidity-wise, where do we stand?
It's going to also be pretty muggy as well, because that's those winds coming in out of the southwest helping to bring in a lot of moisture for us as well.